This is how to delete undeletable files on Windows. First, go to the link in the description. Click on Free Download. The downloading process will begin. Click here. Select your language and click OK. Then Next. Then I agree. Again Next. Uncheck both squares. Then click Install. I already installed it, so I am not going to do this again, but you should just click Install and then click Finish. Let's say this is the file you want to delete. Open Unlocker. Find the file you want to delete. Click on it once, and then click OK. Select Delete. Click OK. The file will be deleted. With this method you can delete any file on your computer. Thanks for watching.